guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like as well. We're gonna do this eye makeup look with the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. You guys have requested it, so I'm doing it. And make sure to comment down below on what you want to see next. Okay, so please ignore the fact that I'm like halfway through my base, but we're just gonna get into the eye makeup right now. We're gonna dive into this Eden shade right here. It's super pretty. I'm using a MAC blending brush. Don't worry, the brush video is coming soon. I have prepped my eyes and primed my eyes. I'm just going in, and this is a beautiful pink shade, guys. Such a nice shade. Sorry, that is my phone. Let me just turn that off. So I'm doing that Eden shade all over the lid. Now this is going to be like a quick kind of everyday eyeshadow on. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm actually shooting a TikTok for the app called Ooh, so they want me to use this palette. So I thought, why not shoot my YouTube video with it too? So I'm doing that. Ignore my base, honestly. My base makeup is gonna be done in a sec. So yes, how cute is this Eden shade now? So I mix it with my Maybelline bronzer, and that's where it's giving me this kind of really nice pink vibe, but it's got slight bronzy tones in there. So I'm putting that all over the eye, guys. Super natural, super cute. Dipping into another brush from MAC, and I'm gonna go into the amber shade right here, which is so nice. And I'm gonna put this on my outer corner lash line, and I'm just going to pat it kind of into my crease. Okay, and I'm just going to do the same here, and I'm going to want to keep basically this area light, but it's not going to be a serious like kind of cut crease. I'm going to go back in with my blending brush. Nothing's on the brush, just the extra stuff that we had used before, and just kind of blend that out so it's a really natural blend. And then back in with the other brush. Not adding any product yet because I don't know how deep I want to go. Now I'm going to dip into Oud, which is a dark brown, and I love this shade, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to put this all the way on the lash line. Okay, now you can use a more precise brush if you want to, but I'm kind of just doing this lightly. And then I'm going to put some of it on the outer corner and flick it upwards, just literally blending. Then I'm going to go back in with this brush again, and I'm going to dip into the Oud now, but only a tiny bit. Tap it off and then buff out. So you literally could keep it like this and put some lashes on, or if you're like me and love a liner, you can put some liner on as well. Now you don't need to worry because you are going to add more of your concealer, so you can kind of clean up the areas where this is kind of coming out a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, which I love, you know I do. And I'm just going to put in a tiny bit of a line. I'm just going to check their level. I'm just going to add a bit more on this side. There we go. Let me just do my base and I'll come back. So I've just done my base makeup. You can see I've already done a full tutorial on this, so you know how I do it. But I'm just going to get my lashes now. I've curled them. You want to curl your lashes before you put them on. You also want to put some mascara on as well. This will make it really easy for you to... What is going on there? This will make it really easy for you to apply your lashes. Also, make sure to cut your lashes too as well. Okay, so I'm just going to use my glue. So you want to wait 30 seconds to make sure they're tacky, and then you will put them on. Ooh. Make sure you trim your lashes when you first get them, because they're not, you know, you have to make sure they're the length for your eye. These ones are some of my brand as well. So guys, now what I'm going to do is dip into that Eden color that we had before and just use this brush along my lash line just to give a bit of a smoky effect. Super easy, but I just like the look of it underneath my lash line. Then we're going to go into the amber color and add to that This brush makes it super easy, guys, to apply the shadow and really get into the lash line. So I would recommend buying this if I were you. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. And then just a bit underneath my actual lash to make sure that they are together, the fake lash and my actual lash. Then I'm just going to add some lipstick. I'm going to use, I think, the Ever Toujours NYX lip liner. And I'm going to put this on. And then I'm going to put Velvet Teddy on as well. And then I'm just going to use this brush and just clean up here. So guys, that is the quick eye makeup look using Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. I love, love, love this palette. There's so much you can do with this palette as well, but I thought I'd just do a quick, like, natural, not natural, but you know, a quick eye makeup tutorial. Then we can dive deeper into this and go for like a more dramatic look. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one.